Yeah, Dexter the motivation. Man, I'm fresh to death, man, from the feet to the toe. I keep my hats off, and I get the respect wherever I go. Yo, hey, yo, pressure. I let boy test man, yeah, we out here. I thank God for the blessing get of me. All black on me, all black. You don't know what is in this bag, homie. All that make the head go splash, go back. I'm in the West Seattle place. Green trees, man. Ever dreaming of a nice place where you chillin' bad, homie? Man, I'm meditation, reminiscing about something that used to happen when I was so young. Yeah, 15 years older than me, but I still manage. But I never give it on, never give it up. But one day decided to step off and give it on. Fly to Miami, then that was it. Try to come back then, Christ. Nothing couldn't be fixed, but though, Dex man, give him dough. IT, shout out to all my souls. Yeah, Molly Bo, we about to do what we come here to do. Yeah, you don't even know, they don't even know. I do what I gotta do, chase it off. Yeah, trying to get a real estate sign on them. Call him every day, no dimes on him. Dex man, you see me, fresh from my feet to my tail. I'm sitting like a king, sitting like a boss. Been so many places, man, you never seen before. I talked to so many people you probably never thought before. You probably was never, ever before. Been some places, man, I know that. I try to tell you, you don't know that. Dex, man, shout out to my boy Cole. You say you Haitian. Where you at, man? Where all my Haitians? Dying. You taking your money, you put it in over here, man. You doing nothing. Man, represent where you come from, the nation, the Caribbean, man. Where you at, where all my Haitian, where you at, man? I keep on talking, telling me that y'all Haitian. But in reality, I just say the word. Y'all just say proverb. Y'all just read word. Try to read, man. Try to read this verse to remember it. But you should have tried to take action instead of try to remember verses. They say that I probably would have been cursing, but I'm just spitting verses. I'm praying God that He forgive me for the sins that I've done. I've done so many things that I ain't proud of. Father God, please bring Your son like the prodigal son. Bring him home. I'm seeing palm trees like I'm in the Caribbean. Can you believe that, man? That's all up here, up in Washington, Northwest, Evergreen State. Talking where Bill Gates at. Bill Gates, money, trying to get more cake. Yeah, November, man, that's my birthday. 37 years old, man, still youngin'. I thank God for the blessing that He gave to me. I'm in the West Seattle, man. Just walking around. Freestyle my head out, man. Medicine down. The 6 feet on the ground, man. Some went down. Thank God for one day, gonna be my time. But before I go, I gotta spit these rounds before I roll. I gotta let my brothers know that Jesus Christ, the one who sent me to speak that kingdom gospel. Woman 116, I ain't ashamed of it. I see them boys here, they preaching that they ashamed of it. Jesus gave His life so that they could be where they at today, man. Stop acting.
BeatStars.com